Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a contact with our Google account. So there is two ways that you can add a contact. First is that you can click here and go to manage your Google account. In your left, we need to click on people and sharing. And with the contacts, you need to click right here. And the second way that you want to add a contact is that we need to click here to see all the Google apps, and we need to click on contacts. Now if I want to add a new contact, so I'm going to click right here. And if I want to import contacts maybe from my phone or maybe from any other Google account in this format, which is CSV or vCard, so simple, I can just click select file to import all contacts right here. And it is really important to bring all contacts from outside, or you can create a new contact here to use that contacts for different apps. And you can use it for Google Meet, for chat, for Google Drive, for sending email, and for more things that we need to use the contacts. To create a new one, we need to click here, and first we can create a single contact. And if I want to create multiple contacts, simple, I'm going to click here. To create a new contact, let's click here, which is going to be a single contact. Now you can choose a picture, and I can give it a name like SM. You can give it a last name, and the company is something like GBL, and job title is something like sales manager. And here I can give it sales at gbl.com. You can add a label and a secondary email. You can add a phone, secondary phone, and I can add address. You can add month, day, and year, which is optional. You can add a note, and if I click show more, so you can add a significant date, you can add a website, you can add a related person. And if I scroll down, you can see we have the notes. You can add more notes to this contact. Now I'm going to click on save. You can add this to favorites as well. Now we have a contact right here. You can email, you can schedule, you can chat, you can give it a video call. But as you can see, the chat and video call, because there is not that type of email that we can use it for chat or video. You can see the history, and if I want to edit, so you can click right here. If I want to delete, simple, you can click to delete. And also you can click here to print, you can export it. And if I click on export, so you can see we can export it in Google CSV, CSV for Outlook only, or you can export it for vCard for Android or iOS. You can see we have the frequent and people you contact the most will appear here. And other contacts, you can click right here. For fix and manage, you can merge and fix, and no new suggestions here. You can import, and you can select a file of the contacts, and you can click on trash. If you delete any contact, you can see it's going to delete it here. And contacts that have been in trash more than 30 days will be deleted forever. And I can click to empty trash right now if I want to, or you can click to recover the contacts. And also I can add a new label here. Maybe I want to add a label for GBL. Just like that, you can add more contacts right here. So this is how we can add a contact with our Google app. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.